Copyright is one of several types of intellectual property or IP protection that is intended to preserve the owner's exclusive right to claim an original work as their own when the work is fixed in a tangible medium. When a work is written on paper, recorded digitally or typed electronically, or anything that can be heard, seen, read, or touched, it is granted copyright protection, usually for a limited time. Here's how to avoid accidentally stepping on the rights of another's creative work. Do assume all material is copyright protected. Do read click to accept agreements or README files to make sure you're aware of any restrictions. Do buy, license, or provide a web link to an image you wish to digitize. Do include any copyright notice provided on the original work. Include an appropriate citation and attribution regarding the source of the original work. Do remember companies that aggressively monitor the web for infringement. Don't use substantial portions or excerpts that can be considered the heart of someone else's work. Don't assume any use is fair use just because you're teaching in a classroom. Don't repeatedly use others' copyrighted materials without permission. Don't substitute copying for the purchase of books, publisher's reference, workbooks, or periodicals. Don't use copying to create replays for anthologies, compilations, or collective works. Possible penalties for copyright infringement: imprisonment for 1 to 3 years and a fine of 50,000 to 150,000 pesos for the first offense. For the second offense, the penalty ranges from 3 years and 1 day to 6 years in a prison, plus a fine ranging from 150,000 to 500,000 pesos.